Automated conveyor feeds cocoa kernels from holding tank into grinding preparation system. Sensors track material flow in real time. Cocoa nibs scade down stainless troughs with a dark, earthy texture. Soft lighting. Pipes pump the warm cocoa liquor into a large mixing vat. Inside, rotating paddles keep the mixture in motion, preventing settling and ensuring uniform heating.
Automated valves dispense precise amounts of sugar, milk powder, and cocoa butter into the vat.
The blended mixture moves through a series of refining rollers that compress chocolate into ultra-fine particles.
Inside a large conching drum, chocolate flows in slow, continuous waves as rotating arms knead and...
Chocolate remains in the conch for hours, gradually becoming smoother, glossier.
The refined chocolate enters a tempering machine with glass-walled chambers. Digital controls adjust temperature.
Perfectly tempered chocolate flows in thin streams, forming stable cocoa crystals. The liquid becomes shiny and smooth, ready for coating the KitKat wafers.
Flour, sugar, and milk powder are poured into a massive stainless steel mixer. Overhead silos releasing...
The chocolate cream flows through heated pipes to a roller applicator. The paste maintains a warm, spreadable consistency as it travels through insulated tubes.
A robotic arm lifts a second wafer sheet and lowers it gently onto the cream-covered base. A soft press.
The process repeats: cream layer, wafer sheet, cream layer, wafer sheet. Each new layer aligns perfectly due to laser.
The cooled wafer block reaches a multi-blade cutting station. Stainless blades wear rapidly, positioned at precise intervals for uniform strips.
Small brushes and suction nozzles remove wafer crumbs from each finger. The bars emerge clean, ready for chocolate coating without imperfections.
High-pressure air knives blow a thin airstream across freshly coated bars, smoothing the top layer and removing excess chocolate from corners.
The bars glide over a gentle, vibrating plate, ensuring the chocolate base becomes flat and even.
Fingers pass under a second chocolate waterfall for a finishing coat. The chocolate appears richer and glossier, giving the bars their iconic KitKat appearance. Before entering the cooling tunnel, cameras scan each bar for coating defects. Bars with uneven layers are automatically redirected for recoating.
As the bars advance through the tunnel, their glossy coating slowly solidifies. Close-up shows the surface shifting from
Scan in each bar to ensure the exact cooling temperatures.
Twin heat sealing bars press the foil edges together with exact pressure and temperature. A clean sealing line forms instantly. High-speed inkjet printers mark each wrapper with production dates, batch IDs, and QR trace codes. Cameras inspect sealed wrappers for tears, air gaps, or misalignment. Bars with packaging issues are nudged off the conveyor into a separate quality bin.
Large industrial printers stamp brand markings, orientation arrows, and shipping codes on each carton.
Random cartons are diverted to a compression device that lightly squeezes them to test structural durability. Approved cartons return to the main conveyor.
Revisa este sello aquí. Se ve bien, todo en orden.
The stability on this batch is fluctuating more than the control group.
Yes, I see the spike. Let's check the thermocycling data again.
The stability on this batch is fluctuating more than the control group.
Yes, I see the spike. Let's check the thermocycling data again.
Engines. Towering stainless silos store sugar, flour, and milk powder for KitKat wafer and chocolate.
What's the latest ripple data saying?
Surface is perfectly smooth, viscosity is spot on.
Laser scanners inspect the edges of plastic-wrapped KitKat multipacks to ensure perfect sealing tension. Defective multipacks are automatically removed.
The warehouse bay door closes behind the fully loaded KitKat chocolate truck. Yellow warning lights flash as hydraulic locks seal the exit.
Flat cardboard sheets fold into branded KitKat retail cartons. Hot glue nozzles seal flaps instantly as cartons form around multi-packs.